Hello, my name is Anish with PS. My USN is 4SO20CH012. Today I'll be showing you the day one problem, foo, bar and bars. For this problem, you have to implement a program that prints the words foo, bar and bars for a given range. So you have to take two inputs, that's A and B, and you have to include those numbers. That would be 3 and 11. If the number is a multiple of 3, then print bar. If the number is even and not a multiple of 3, then print bars. If the number is odd and not a multiple of 3. So we have been given a range for a sample input 3 and 11, and this is the sample output. Before I explain the code, let's go over the Excel sheet I have prepared. So initially we have to check three conditions as per mentioned. So I have highlighted the output here. So if it's true, if I represents the iteration and mod 3. So if it is 0, that would be divisibility by 3. If it is true, then print 4. If it is an even number here again, and it is not a multiple of 3, then print bar. And if I is a even number and not a multiple of 3, then print bars. So for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, here are the outputs. And this is what it prints. So let's compare. One second. It says foo, bar, bars, foo, bars, bar, foo, bar, bars. Similarly, it goes for n number of values. So let's discuss the Python code I have written. That would be here. Initially, it takes the inputs A and B as mentioned in the question. Then it takes I as the increment, the iteration value, and starts from A and ends with B plus 1 as range covers only from. Initially, by default, it is 0. So, but we want it to start from A. So initially, it goes from A to B, but we want it to include it the 11 itself. So we are gonna increment by 1. Next, as mentioned, it checks for if it is divisible by 3, then it prints foo. If it's a even number and not a multiple of 3, then it prints bar. And if it's a and if it's not a even number and not a multiple of 3, then it prints bars. So let me execute this code for you. One, and then you have to enter 3 and 11, and it prints the required output. Foo, bar, bars, foo, bars, bar, foo, bar, bars. And it is the same as in here. There's a GORP version also I've written. It's just a similar way, but just prints, it's just the code in a single line. That's all. Thank you.